Welcome. We are following this book. Today we will discuss our first chapter accounting in action. Today's lectures on brief exercise 2, 3 and 4. Given the accounting equation, answer each of the following questions. We have three questions here. A. The liabilities of Weber company are this figure and the owner's equity is this figure. What is the amount of Weber company's total asset? We know the basic accounting equation: asset equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So accounting this equation, the Weber companies the liabilities 1,20,000 and the owner's equity 2,32,000. So we know asset equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So here, according to this question, we will get answer easily. The asset will be total liability plus owner's equity. This is the answer. This is our liabilities and this is the owner's equity. So the total will be the asset. This is our total asset, $3,52,000. Number B. The total assets of Weber companies $1,90,000 and its owner's equity is $91,000. So this is our asset, total asset. This is total asset. And you know its owner's equity. This is owner's equity. So we are getting total assets. So we know total assets equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So here the liabilities will be the balancing figure. You can see here this is our total assets 1,90 and this is our total owner's equity. So it will be our total liabilities. Number C. The total assets of Weber company 8 lakh. This is total asset 8 lakh. That means this is total asset 8 lakh. Its liabilities are equal to one half of its total assets. That means this liabilities is one half. Liabilities is one half. So one half means 4 lakh. So what is the amount of Weber company's owner's equity? So owner's equity must be one half. That means 4 lakh. So this is our total asset. This is one half of liabilities and it will be the owner's equity. So I think everybody is clear of this problem and solution. Brief exercise 3. That means this is chapter 1 and question number 3. Brief exercise. At the beginning of the year, Gilles company had total asset 8 lakh and total liabilities 3 lakh. Answer the following questions. So we can write down the basic accounting equation. This is asset equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Thus, according to the question, this is our total asset 8 lakh and total liabilities 3 lakh. Thus, owner's equity will be balancing figure. That means 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Now, requirement A. If total assets increased 1,50,000, total assets increase 1,50,000. That means this is our total asset increased. So 8 lakh or 1,50,000. So it will be 9,50,000. Okay. Now during the year the total liabilities decreased 60,000. So our total liabilities, that means this is our total liabilities 3 lakh dollars. So decrease 60,000. If decrease 60,000, that will be 2,40,000 after decreased it will be 2,40,000. So now what is the amount of owner's equity at the end of the year? So we can see the calculation. This is our total asset increase, and this is total liability decrease, and this is the balancing figure of our owner's equity. I think everybody is clear. Now B, during the year the total liabilities increased 1 lakh. So this is our total liabilities 3 lakh and increased 1 lakh. So liabilities will be 4 lakh. So this is 4 lakh, 3 lakh and 1 lakh, 4 lakh. Now owners equity decreased 70,000. So owners equity we have 5 lakh, that means 8 lakh minus 3 lakh, this is 5 lakh. Okay, so here question is owner's equity decreased 70,000, the 70,000 decrease, that means 5 lakh minus 70,000, this is 5 lakh minus 70,000. So now what is the amount of total asset at end of the year? The end of the year total asset will be, this is the figure, total assets $8,30,000. I think everybody is clear this requirement too. Now see, if the total asset decrease 80,000, the total asset 8 lakh and now decrease 80,000. So 8 lakh minus 80,000, and owner's equity decreased 1 lakh 20,000. So owner's equity 5 lakh and decreased 1 lakh 20,000. So 5 lakh, 8 lakh minus 3 lakh, 5 lakh, and this is increased, sorry, owner's equity increased 1 lakh 20,000. So this is increased 1 lakh 20,000. So the balancing figure will be 1 lakh. This is the liabilities. I think all you are clear this requirement C. Now we will proceed our brief exercise 4. That means chapter 1, brief exercise 4. Use the expand accounting equation to answer each of the following questions. Requirement A. Here the liabilities of Kafka company are 90,000, owner's capital $1,50,000, drawings these figures, revenue this figure, and expenses this figure. What is the amount of Kafka company total asset? Very easy to calculation it. Please look here. We think total asset equal to X. This is liability, this is owner's capital, this is owner's drawing, revenue, and expense. So after calculation we are getting the value of X. That means this 3,30,000, this is the value of X, that means asset value. So according to the question, what is the amount of Kafka company's total asset? The total asset will be 3,30,000. Requirement B. The total asset of Rivera company are $57,000. So here owner's capital is $25,000, drawing $7,000, revenues $52,000, expenses $35,000. What is the amount of company's total liabilities? So very easy to calculation here. This is liabilities. We need to be calculated this liabilities. This is our asset according to question. This is our owner's capital. This is owner's drawing. This is revenues. This is expenses. So after calculation, we are getting value of X equal to 22,000. Okay, I think everybody is clear here. So here the company's total liabilities will be 22,000. This figure. Now requirement C. The total assets of Alcon company is $6 lakh, and its liabilities are equal to third. So liabilities equal to third means 4 lakh, and of its total asset. This is the total asset 6 lakhs, and its liabilities are equal to 2/3. 2/3 will be 4 lakh. 2/3 will be 4 lakh. So what is the amount of Alcon company's owner's equity? So owner's equity will be, I think, 2 lakh. So we can see the solution. This is 6 lakh our total asset, and the liabilities is 2/3, that means it will be 2/3, that means 4 lakh, and we need to be calculated value of X, that means owner's equity. So owner's equity will be 2 lakh. Okay, I think this problem